Pneumatic solenoid valves are one of the most common elements in pneumatic systems. They are used to control air supply to cylinders, grippers, or valve actuators. In this video, we explain how to find the correct pneumatic solenoid valve for your application. Directional valves are appointed with two numbers. The first number shows how many ports the valve has, and the second number the amount of states. Directional valves usually have 2, 3 or 5 ports. Selecting the correct port and state combination can be hard, so let me explain the 4 most common used pneumatic solenoid valves. A two-way valve has 2 ports, in and out, and it has 2 states, open and closed. Two-way valves are therefore often called shut-off valves. They can be normally open or normally closed. Normally closed means that the valve opens when energized. Normally open means the valve is open in rest position and closes when energized. They are often used in pneumatic applications where the supply of air periodically needs to be closed off. A two-way valve has 3 ports and 2 states. These valves can be normally open, normally closed, or bistable. They are used when your appliance needs to be either vented or pressurized. An example is a single acting cylinder. The valve fills the cylinder through one port, but also vents the cylinder afterwards through the same port to realize a new working stroke. Another example is a two-way valve. This valve has 5 ports and 2 states. These valves are often used in combination with a double acting cylinder or rotary actuator. The valves have 1 port to supply air pressure, 2 exhaust ports, and 2 ports to connect your appliance. The pressure port is always in connection with one of the 2 appliance ports. The other appliance port is connected to an exhaust port. With the example of the double acting cylinder, it means that one chamber of the cylinder is pressurized while the other chamber vents and vice versa. Nemer valves are a special type that have a standardized design to directly mount them to a valve actuator. They are easy to mount, compact, and reduce the number of hoses and fittings. 3- and 5-way valves can have 1 or 2 electric coils. One coil means that the valve returns to a rest position with a power loss. 2 coils means that it switches by providing a short pulse to one of the coils. With power loss, these valves remain in the latest position. A 3-way valve has 5 ports and 3 states. It is similar to a two-way valve, but it has an extra state in the center position. They always have 2 coils to switch the valve. These valves are monostable and return to the center position when the solenoids are not energized. 5-3 valves are available in 3 variants, with closed center position, with venting center position, and with pressurized center position. This is often used in the field for safety, for example to stop a double acting cylinder during power loss. If you know what type of valve you need, it is also important to choose the correct size. On our website, you can find more information to find the correct product for your appliance.